In the bustling world of project management, the quest for the perfect tool is a never-ending saga. Teams grapple with spreadsheets, endless email threads, and disparate software, often leading to chaos rather than control. Amidst this landscape, Scoro emerges, often lauded for its sleek design and comprehensive features. But the burning question for anyone serious about project management remains: is Scoro truly a project management tool, or is it something more, or perhaps something less? As a seasoned project management professional, I've seen countless tools come and go, each promising to be the silver bullet. My approach isn't about blindly endorsing the latest trend, but rather dissecting the core functionalities and evaluating their effectiveness in real-world project scenarios. So, let's delve deep into Scoro and analyze its capabilities through the lens of established project management principles. Beyond the surface, understanding Scoro's core offering. At its heart, Scoro positions itself as an end-to-end work management platform. This means it aims to integrate various aspects of a business, from sales and CRM to project management and finance. This holistic approach is a significant differentiator and hints at Scoro's potential to offer a more unified view of operations compared to standalone project management software. However, for our specific inquiry, we need to isolate the project management functionalities and assess their robustness. Scoro offers a range of features directly relevant to managing projects, including project planning and task management. This is the cornerstone of any PM tool. Scoro allows users to create projects, break them down into tasks and subtasks, assign responsibilities, and set deadlines. The visual Gantt chart provides a clear overview of the project timeline, dependencies, and progress. This feature alone positions Scoro as a contender in the project management arena. Resource management. Efficiently allocating and managing resources is crucial for project success. Scoro enables you to track team availability, assign resources to tasks, and monitor their workload. This helps prevent overallocation, identify potential bottlenecks, and ensure the right people are working on the right things at the right time. Time tracking and billing. For many projects, especially those in service-based industries, accurate time tracking and billing are paramount. Scoro integrates time tracking functionalities, allowing team members to log their work against specific tasks. This data can then be used for invoicing and analyzing project profitability. Collaboration and communication. Effective communication is the lifeblood of successful projects. Scoro offers features like task-specific discussions, file sharing, and progress updates, fostering better collaboration within the project team. While it might not replace dedicated communication platforms, it provides a centralized space for project-related conversations. Budgeting and financial management. Keeping projects within budget is a key responsibility of a project manager. Scoro allows you to set project budgets, track expenses, and monitor profitability in real time. This integration of financial aspects within the project management workflow is a significant advantage. Reporting and analytics. Gaining insights from project data is essential for continuous improvement. Scoro provides various reports on project progress, resource utilization, financial performance, and more. These reports empower project managers to make data-driven decisions and identify areas for optimization. Checking the boxes. Scoro against project management principles. To truly determine if Scoro is a project management tool, we need to evaluate its alignment with fundamental project management principles. Initiation and planning. A robust PM tool should facilitate the definition of project scope, objectives, and deliverables. Scoro's project creation features, task breakdown capabilities, and Gantt chart functionality support this crucial phase. Execution and monitoring. During execution, a PM tool should enable task management, resource allocation, progress tracking, and issue management. Scoro's task assignments, resource management features, time tracking, and discussion threads contribute to effective execution and monitoring. Control and closure. A good PM tool aids in tracking deviations from the plan, managing changes, and formally closing projects. Scoro's reporting capabilities, budget tracking, and the ability to mark projects as complete support these aspects. Collaboration and communication. As mentioned earlier, Scoro offers features that facilitate team communication and collaboration within the project context. Resource optimization. Scoro's resource management features directly address the need to optimize resource utilization and avoid conflicts. Risk management. While Scoro doesn't have dedicated risk management modules like some specialized PM software, the ability to track progress, identify delays, and monitor budgets can indirectly aid in identifying and mitigating potential risks. Where Scoro shines, its unique strengths. Scoro's strength lies in its integrated nature. Unlike many standalone project management tools, it seamlessly blends project management functionalities with CRM, sales, quoting, invoicing, and finance. This provides several key advantages. Holistic business view. Project managers gain visibility into the entire customer lifecycle, from initial contact to project completion and invoicing. This can lead to better understanding of client needs and improved overall service delivery. Streamlined workflows. Integrating different business processes within a single platform reduces the need for manual data transfer and eliminates silos between departments. This can significantly improve efficiency and reduce errors. Improved financial management. The tight integration of project management with invoicing and accounting provides a clear picture of project profitability and cash flow. Enhanced reporting capabilities. Combining data from different modules allows for more comprehensive and insightful reports on overall business performance, including project profitability and resource utilization across the organization.